Are these your comfort foods when you are stressed? While enjoying them, have you ever thought about where they came from? Maybe the chef who prepared the dish, but what about the slaughterhouse workers behind it? From my survey, most people eat meat every day, yet rarely think about the labor behind every piece they consume. At most, they remember the chef, but not the workers who carry the physical and emotional burden behind meat production. The slaughterhouse industry operates with a constantly rotating workforce, where labor turnover can reach up to 100% annually, due to the intense physical and emotional demands placed on workers. As meat demand increases, production speeds increase as well, leaving workers with less time to recover from repeated slaughter moments and emotional strain. In this project, I used the dream catcher as a metaphor for slaughterhouse workers. Just as the dream catcher filters nightmares to provide peaceful sleep, these workers silently carry painful experiences behind our comfort foods. The interaction begins with lifting a packaged piece of meat, a familiar action we often do in grocery stores without much thought. Using Makey as the trigger system, the lifted packaging activates projected motion graphics, revealing fragments of the slaughterhouse environment, reminding audiences that every piece of meat carries a hidden weight. The second interaction uses an animal bone as another trigger, allowing audiences to directly face the reality behind the raw material. The projections become a bridge between the audience and the workers, revealing emotional fragments of their daily experiences. Through projection mapping, motion graphics, and handcrafted Dreamcatcher installation, I hope to raise awareness and respect for the unseen experiences of slaughterhouse workers that are often quietly carried behind the meat we consume.